Hi guys, today's video we are making plantain fufu. So guys, what you need for this is unripe plantain. First I'm going to peel off my plantain and then chop it into smaller sizes. Plantain fufu or plantain amala is a healthy Nigerian swallow that can be prepared with soup like okra, egusi, nsala, melon and more. Do you know you can also buy powdered plantain in the market and still prepare it? It will come out nice. So next I'm going to chop it into smaller sizes and then put it in the blender and blend it very smooth. Growing up, fufu was a big component of our family diet. I grew up eating pounded yam made from yam, apple made from cassava, gari also made from cassava and more. So it has always been part of me. I love it so much. Guys, make sure you blend it smoothly. Next, I'm going to add it on the pot and then begin to stir it around. So how to prepare powdered plantain fufu? First, put the quantity of water you want on the pot, and then when the water is boiled, you start adding the plantain fufu, the powdered one, bit by bit until you get the texture you want. So you keep stirring it around until it is ready. So don't leave it because it's going to get burned on the pot. Not everyone eat plantain fufu. Reason is because plantain is very expensive in the market. Even when you go for parties, they don't serve it in the parties, just like fufu, akpu or semo and so on. So guys, when you keep turning it, you see the plantain will begin to change to fufu. So you keep stirring it around because we don't want it to get burnt on the bottom. So how do you know that this plantain fufu is ready? It begins to change to yellow. Look at it, it's changing to yellow, so it's getting ready. Do you know that plantain is a low carb food? I prefer eating plantain to apple, gari, pounded yam. I just love it so much. So guys, once it's ready, I'm going to put it in a plastic foil, wrap it around and then leave it to cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes before I serve it. So you can enjoy your plantain fufu with egusi, ogbono, edikaiko, any kind of soup you have at home. You will enjoy it and I bet you will not regret it. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up, leave a comment and share. Okay, see you guys all on my next video. Bye.